Okay.
Alright, we just found some elevators and look at this call station. This is interesting. I don't know what brand this is, but
What's rare about this?
My phone just crashed. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Did you have that that freezing thing?
It did. It did.
Oh,
it did the same thing.
I had the same problem too.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Okay.
let's keep rolling.
Okay, I'm gonna keep it going too.
Alright, we're in some building here, and I don't see this kind of call station, so this is pretty interesting.
Seems like a very new iPhone release. There's always this problem.
It's modern inside, but that call station was rare.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's because it used to be lights.
These used to be Kone. I mean, these are Kone.
You can't go to 5. No, I guess not.
Oh my gosh! Look at this! Look at this panel! It's like literally.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Hey, look at this! This thing, the COP is like literally sticking out. And
Oh,
look,
wow.
You can literally put your finger through the door.
Oh, wow. Let's go back up. Oh, you want to get off?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Anyways, there it goes.
Well, Jim's not kidding. Look at that.
What's?
See, the COP is so much sticking out.
Yeah. Wow.
Let's get off at 1. Uno.
Oh,
Uno
yeah.
mas.
Just wanted to see what it looked like there for a second.
I just saw the American flag thing there, so I assume there might be government offices up there.
Could be.
These used to be Otis modernized by Kone.
Okay. I used to.